Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register a complaint on the UpCM portal. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type UpCM portal into the search bar. Look for the official government website link, which usually appears as one of the top results. Clicking this link will take you directly to the home page. This is your essential first step towards submitting a grievance effectively and efficiently. Once on the home page, find the Register Grievance button, often prominently displayed or labeled in Hindi as He Shikayat Darj Kare Enus. Click this to proceed to the complaint form. It is crucial to fill in all personal details accurately, including your full name, address, and mobile number. Next, clearly describe your complaint in the provided text area, keeping it concise and factual. To strengthen your complaint, you can attach supporting documents. These might include photographs, PDF files, or other relevant evidence. Please ensure that each individual file does not exceed 2 megabytes in size for successful upload. After attaching your files, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered. Double-checking helps prevent errors and ensures clarity before the final submission. Following successful submission, the portal will provide you with a unique complaint registration number. It is vital to save this number securely, as it is your key to tracking progress. Return to the portal at any time and use this number to check the status of your grievance. You can monitor the actions taken by the relevant department and view their responses directly, staying informed every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.